want to share a very unique feature about the Jabra PanaCast, okay, and which is called the whiteboard. Now, have you ever come across whereby you need to share something on the whiteboard to your audience online, right? If you are a teacher, a lecturer, you would like to share some formula on the whiteboard to your students, or if you're in a meeting and your meeting room have whiteboard, you would like to share something here to your online meeting, right? So I'm using Teams right now, okay, and I'll show you how you're able to do that. Okay, so first off, you need to download the app, which is called Jabra Vision. And okay, before that, of course, you need Jabra PanaCast, okay, along with the speak. All right, so this is where the audio sources come from, and this is where the video sources come from. Okay, so let me share my screen, and then you'll be able to have a look at the Jabra Vision app. Sharing the screen. Now, this is basically the Jabra Vision app. This is where I'm able to like toggle how I want to share the whiteboard to you. Okay. So back to my video feed. So there's two options to actually share the whiteboard. Option one is I can replace my initial video feed, this one, to be the whiteboard. So let me show you how it will look. So I'm enabling that. So in a moment, then you'll be able to see the whiteboard instead of me. All right, so now the whiteboard is my main video feed. All right, if the settings is a little bit off, I can actually adjust that. But right now, I think it's okay. Okay, so today's session, we are talking about the PanaCast. Whiteboard. Okay, students. So this is one of the option, right? So however, if I'm doing this option, you will not be able to see my face expression, right? So the other option will be, so let me switch this off. So the other option will be sharing the whiteboard as a content in Microsoft Teams, or it can be any other platform as well. Okay, it's fairly simple to use. Let me activate that feature and I'll show you. So now you're still seeing my feed. All right. So in Jabra Vision, what happens is another stream will pop up. So I just need to share that as a content in Microsoft Teams. Let's put that up. So now you're able to see my feed, bottom, right? And you're able to see the whiteboard as well. Agree? Yes. So I can jot down anything here. So what you basically need is the Jabra Vision app in order to do this. Of course, prior to this, you actually need a Jabra PanaCast. Okay, that's for your video feed, and you need the Jabra Speak, that's for your audio feed. All right, and yeah, so basically this is all the equipment that you need. You don't actually need to get a secondary camera just to broadcast the whiteboard, right? It saves your space. All you need is just the app. All right, and yeah, and furthermore, the app is free of charge. Okay, and if you need help to get this set up, basically it's very straightforward. But if you still need help, contact your local Jabra. All right, so I hope this session is informative. And if you have any feedback or suggestion or comment, just leave a section below. Okay, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.